A lot of early birds.
Oh, you gave me both of them. I give you both. Put it here.
Is that all the parts and pieces with your croquet set?
Yeah. The croquet set that we never use.
Yeah, I got one in my garage cutter.
I'm going to buy it from you and probably do the same thing. So.
We were asking $10 for it.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I'm not typically in the habit of picking up croquet sets, but when I saw the LL Bean logo on the outside of this one, I was kind of curious. Not only that, I figured for $10 I couldn't really go wrong, and if it didn't sell, my family and I could play it. Come to find out, it's actually pretty valuable. Not to mention there's only like 2 listed and 6 have sold, so I think that's a pretty good pickup.
Should be a good game.
Yeah, makes it even sweeter.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Row search boots. I know I've mentioned them 1,000 times, but these are the kind of things that a lot of other people just walk right by. And I'm definitely not walking right by them for $3 at a garage sale. They're pretty inconspicuous too. The logo is down here on the bottom. It's the only real spot that they are on the shoe. But they're typically a good flip. If you can find the green ones, they're even better. But yeah, $3. Quick tip when you're trying to take pictures of a floppy boot like this. We've all got these things laying around, right? So fold it up. Check it out. Perfect. Morning, how are you?
Fine, how you doing?
Doing well. That's a very large picnic basket. You put like the whole buffet in there. So we're just gonna have to pretend that I'm holding a reel because it actually already sold. It sold super fast. It was an Abu Garcia Ambassador 4600C, and most of the Abu Garcia is comp out at like 40 or $50, but this was a pretty rare model. It sold in about 2 hours for $120. The guy actually wanted $20 for the rod and the reel. Didn't really want to pay that much. I asked him if he'd split them up, and sure enough he did. Only paid $10 for the reel. So just a little context on this sale. This was a group that was actually raising money to provide shoes for children in our area. All the stuff that they had was donated, so they didn't really know what they had. Everything was still in boxes. So it was a lot of digging, but only spent $35 on everything you're about to see. Oh. Oh wow, that's cool. Ladies are the top. How much are the clothes, did they say?
$1 a piece.
Can't beat that.
No, you can't. Some nice stuff.
Yeah, it is. found the ultimate Gamecock fan haul over here if you know somebody.
Yeah. Got a friend, but it has to be big.
There you go. I'll set them on that box over there. There's a bunch of t-shirts.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
All fans.
Oh God. And this is just, we try to do like a quarterly yard sale.
See, we knew all this was. Yeah.
I am just trying to open boxes as much as I can get.
Okay, how much is all this?
You ain't looking for it. Oh my gosh. What kind of, I was like, I'm sorry, what?
So yeah, $35 on all that stuff. I don't think it's too bad. I mean, you guys saw all the clothes and the shoes, all the Vans. Vans weren't in great condition, but for $1 a piece, I couldn't really pass them up. And then that white box was actually a baby scale, like seriously a scale that you use to weigh a baby. It goes for like $70 to $100, so that wasn't too bad either. And then the PS3, I don't know whether it works or not. I actually just hooked it up. I've got a red light. Let's see if we can check it out. If it works, it's $100. If it doesn't work, 30 or 40. Pretty big difference, but let's check it out. So I've got everything hooked up to my TV up here. Got a game ready to go. Always keep extra games laying around to test with. This controller came with it, but you can hear that rattle. There's no way it works, and the cord's messed up as well. So I don't have a controller to test it with, but what I did do is actually hook up the dongle for my wireless mouse, and you can actually use that to test with on these PS3s. But let's first of all see if there is a game inside. Cool. Bonus. Blur. I don't know what that's worth, but I'll pop it up on the screen. But let's see if it does anything. Yeah, that's pretty promising. So yeah, I'm actually using my mouse to move around. Let's see what Thomas is all about. And I'm going to try and load this game. And it is loading. I'm calling that a win. Pretty cool to be found at the bottom of a box. Certainly pretty cool to find a working PlayStation in the bottom of a box full of junk. And there weren't many yard sales to go to on this day. The few that I went to, potential profit looking around $500, and that's probably pretty conservative. I did go to like 2 more, couldn't find anything but some high prices and useless junk. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.